on this computer. Okay, so yesterday's analysis was that sells below 137,558, sells below 137,558. We got that early in the morning around 5:30 a.m. and then price just dropped to our next available support. This was drawn yesterday. Yesterday's analysis around 33 pips. Price fell around 33 pips, and let's see how we could have taken this if this happened during a session that we trade, right? So now you see this, right? You see price came down all the way here, formed a weak bullish candle, and then the next candle broke the low. And if we were to trade this, our stops would have been around 2-3 pips, yeah, maximum 5 pips for a gain of 17-18 pips. Then price came up, price coming all the way up. This was a major resistance once again, came up, came down, and this was vaccine optimism. So let's remove this, right? Let's remove this, and let's say this area was a heavy resistance, right? Heavy resistance, couldn't break up during London, and then again later New York at 4 a.m. So London, New York volume coming in. So at this point, we saw this candle form like this, and same as this, right? Broke the high and never came down, went all the way up. This move alone was around 30 pips. So now this is coming down, right? So let's say if we get a close, or if we get a break below this, our stops will be 10 pips for a range of probably further down or further down here, because this move was for vaccine optimism. See, bearish sentiment GJ, but for vaccine optimism always gets corrected. So can we, let's look at the 5 minute, right? Can we take a trade today? Okay, this 5 minute looks clean. This is some kind of resistance. It has to break the low over here. So once that low is broken, then probably possible sells. Yeah, looking at sells, because this is a weak bullish candle. So sells look pretty good. So I won't be drawing this all over again, because this looks the same as yesterday, same as yesterday, with the same range. And the only thing that's different today is that we have some resistance over here. Resistance. So let's draw that resistance today. Let's draw that. Yeah, so we have some resistance here, we have some wicks here. So this area is a choppy price action. So once again, if I'm looking for sells, probably break below this. We have some clean movement around 8-9 pips, and further down probably this area. Yeah, this area. So looking at that, but right now nothing looks appealing on GJ. Yeah, since yesterday, right? Since yesterday, nothing has been looking appealing. Only today, but we didn't take that move. So I am looking at this 137.759. So let's look at the 30 minute. 30 minute. Yeah, 30 minute is filling that wick. 15 minute. Yeah, 15, 137. Yeah, this area. This area will be fine, I think. Yeah, we might be able to take a trade over here. So let's see what GJ brings us. GJ is coming down. But it needs to break the low over here. So once it breaks the low, this area is around 8-10 pips, 8-9 pips. So why am I going to take a sell once this low breaks? Because this area is a very it was only for news, right? It came down for news, and yeah, so it is what it is. So news has to get corrected. So it needs to break this low here. It needs to break that. Yeah, if the 5 minute breaks the high over here, then probably we are going up to retest the high. Then a 15 minute, let's look at the 15 minute. 15 minute looks like this. Yeah, 15 minute looks like this, coming down. It broke it. No, it didn't break that. It almost broke the high, but it's closing side by side. And yeah, so today we gotta wait. Either sells below this or buys. Again, not favoring buys, because buys, we have some wicks here, and then we have this area, this range, and then further up. So Yeah, so let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. On the 5 minute, we see, price closed bullish on the 5 minute, bearish on the 5 minute. If this 5 minutes break the high over here, if this 5 minute breaks the high, can we still get a move up all the way here? You know, lots of things happening today, lots of choppy price action, choppy price action. You gotta wait. 15 minute. Let's look at the 15 minute. 15 minute is coming down. Yeah. Choppy price action. So this week has been one of the hardest weeks to trade, starting from Tuesday, right? Starting from Tuesday, it has been one of the hardest weeks to trade, and haven't taken a trade yesterday. Oh yeah, so yesterday, let's wait. So yesterday I did take a trade. Oh, it's coming down here. It's coming down. It is coming down over here. It is coming down. So once it breaks the low, we can enter a position. Once it breaks the low, it stops above this candle, 10 pip stop, and we'll see for a 9-10 pip trade. Yeah, so we'll have to wait. So yesterday I took a trade later in the day, on a one lot. Took it at 137.859. 137.859 was right over here. 137. Oh wait, where was this? 137.859. Okay, 137.859 was here. This was yesterday, right over here, around 12 a.m. Yeah, 12 a.m. I took it and I closed it. Price came up, I closed it. I closed in a negative loss, very small loss. That's okay. And then I went to gold, and I took a sell on 1878. 1878 is also here, yeah, somewhere here. And then I had a 4 lot open, 2 lot first here, 1878, 77, right over here. And then price came up, I closed it in a $10 profit and -4 because of commissions. And then I opened another one, 1875. So price kept on falling. So it is what it is. So I closed my trade and call it a day, because you need to preserve your profits. You need to conserve your profits which you've made for the week. So let's see what happens. Let's see what today brings. Yeah, see that rejection? Should always wait for candles to close in your direction. So this area over here, I'm waiting for price to come down 10 pips, 9-10 pips, and then further down. But if we don't get that, then I will call it a week. Yeah, look at this. Came down, broke the low, but respecting this area. It's respecting this area. Yeah, there we go. We're just ranging over here. A break below this, I will anticipate price to come down. Yep, break below this. Let's place an alert over here. Let's place an alert right over here. Okay. Yeah, so gold is also still in that range. GBP/USD is doing something here. Looking to trade. One last trade for the week. Can GJ give us that trade? One last trade. Sell below this would be perfect. Sell below this would be awesome. All the way down, all the way back where it was. All the way back here, and that would be great. If it were to break above, then there's some wick here to be filled, around 8 pips, not much. And then we have resistance. Once again, why am I looking at sells? Sells below this area, we have clean candles, and this was vaccine optimism. So vaccine optimism always gets corrected, always gets corrected. So you gotta wait. You gotta wait for vaccine optimism to get corrected. So now let's look at news. Let's look at news. Yeah, so we had this news coming in. This was pretty bad for the pound, the euro, and this is pretty good. Canada on the brink of freedom, replacing EU deal. Oh, okay, this is pretty good for the pound. But like I said, this week has been pretty hard. This week has been really hard, and yeah, so it's been really hard this week. So you gotta wait, conserve your profits, and gotta wait. So Wednesday, today is Thursday. So Thursday we have 7 p.m. Yeah, unemployment claims. Yeah, unemployment claims, and then we have this as well. So red folder news on ADP non-farm employment. So that's CAD news, and yeah, look at this pulling itself up. It hasn't broke. Oh, wait, let me see now. If it breaks the high over here, still no range. This area is an entire range, so you have to wait. Let's see what happens. Let's see what today brings. Pretty dull day. Oh, only 2 people here today. Okay, that's fine. Probably everybody's taking a break today. Okay. Yeah, even me. Like I after last night, like I just wanted to call it a week. Because like pretty rough price action. No moves, nothing much. Pretty rough price action. So yeah, it's crazy days happening. And so let's go and analyze gold. Right? Let's go to gold. Let's see. I've set up alerts here. If it breaks below, we can get this. We can get at least 10 pips there. But if we don't, then buys above this area. Yeah, buys above this area to this area. But once again, resistance. Then yeah, we have to wait. You get paid. You get paid when you wait. Yeah. So let's go to gold. Let's analyze gold. Let's go to the daily on gold. And yeah, so daily support looks like it's going to break. On gold. Yeah, this is pushing up. Okay, let that be. So we come to gold, and let's draw our analysis on gold right over here. So this is a major support. If this breaks, we are coming down all the way here. Simple as that. We are coming down here first and then all the way here. Oh, there's some range here as well. So this is around 200 pips. So right here first and then all the way back here. So let's look at that. And yeah, so let's look at this. And what we can say is that if we break below 1848, we are coming down. So let's go and look at the buying bias. So buying bias is, so this area is resistance, right? This area is resistance. So price tried to break up, couldn't break up. So if price comes here and breaks up over here, we are coming all the way to this area. Yeah, we are coming all the way to this area. All the way here. So that is one trade which you can take. And this is pretty good. This buys above 1890. So 1890 is pretty far away. So let's go to the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour, so we see this. Yeah, this area is here, recent resistance. But let's remove this, right? So you look at the 4 hour now. Look at the 4 hour, and let's place this here. Because this is the 4 hour resistance and support. support, resistance. How, look at how this came up, right? Support, resistance, and this area here, this area here, we have another resistance, and once we surpass that resistance, yeah, this is going up. Oh, this broke the high over here. Okay, look at this candle. Look at this candle side by side. So weird. Broke the high, so didn't take the trade. Yeah, this was around 4 pips. Not enough. Once again, not enough range. Not enough range at all. Not enough range at all. See, you can either do one thing, either force trades or either sit on the sidelines and wait for power price action. So I'm probably sitting this one out. Probably sitting, I want a clear range, clear price action. Yeah, there we go. We are heading up. We are heading up over here, all the way over here. Yep. So I am not taking this trade. I am not taking that trade. All right. So what we can do is that let's analyze stuff. So we see that gold. We see that gold over here is creating a support. Its support is holding here. So let's draw our magic rectangle over here, and let's draw. So there's some support here as well. So let's draw our support all the way here, right over here. Yeah, right over here. Let's draw the support right over here, and we see that if we break this, we come down here. And looking further, let's look left now. Looking left, we can see, yeah, this is being supported here. Looking left, we can see that this area 1811 is clean. There's nothing here. Yeah, see, clean candles. So let's put this here. So 1816 is a clean area. Yeah, 1816 is a clean area. Okay, makes sense. Let's analyze 1816. So let's keep this area here, just like this, and yeah, so once we break below this, we are coming down here. Or if we break up over here, if we break up over 1816, 1896, perfect candles to the top. Let's go to the 1 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour, right? 1 hour, yeah, 1 hour looks okay. 1 hour looks like it's respecting this area. So let's place it here. So we have this area to fill. This area, yeah, it's once again pretty choppy range, and yeah, so it is what it is. So let's see this, right? So yeah, once again, range here. This is a range area. This was yesterday, broke at 130, yeah, 130. And then if we were to continue up, look at this clean candle over here, clean candle. So I would say if we were to continue up, we have this area to come to. We have this area, clean candles. So I would definitely be buying gold above 1896. Yeah, above 1896. I would be buying gold above 1896 and selling it. I think below 1847. I would be selling gold below 1847. So 1847 is my target, and let's look at GJ. Yeah, look at GJ. Respecting this area. Close side by side. Look at these two candles, just like two legs. Close side by side, and now it's back up here again. This week GJ has been super weird. So yeah, let's look at this. So let's analyze this. Let's look at this, right? So now we see that there is some kind of resistance here. Okay, perfect. Resistance here being respected, perfect. And we see some clean candles all the way here. Clean candles all the way here. Right over here, this area. So we know that if price comes up here, we can get this wick fill, which is around 30 pips. Okay, makes sense. That's pretty good. 30 pips. And if we get further movement, we can come down all the way here, which is around yeah, we have to pass this first, right? So let's talk about that when we pass it. So we have to come here, and if we sell below this, We have that daily to come back to. So price, so what's happening here? Price made a high, price created support, came up, broke the high over here, and this also is continuing. This also is 39 pips, amazing. Just please, yes, this is also continuing up. I am looking for a clean range. I am personally looking for a clean range. So that's what I'm waiting for. That's what I'm waiting for, and yep. So let's see how let's see what today brings us. Let's see what today brings us. So yeah, very slow movement, and yeah, looking at GJ, on the 15-minute. Yeah, we have this area. Let's look left, right? Let's look left. Okay, we have this. Let's keep it here. So clean candles over here. Clean candles over here. And a 30-minute. 30-minute. Oh, it's breaking the high on the 30-minute. Okay, it's breaking the high on the 30-minute. So let's say if we get a trade above this with 23 pips, 23 pips, and all the way up to 26 pips. No, still not convinced. Still not convinced on GJ. I am not convinced on GJ. GJ is not like this. Yeah. Yeah, so the price is just going up. Price is just heading up. Gotta be very careful. Very careful with price. Very careful with price. So yep. So gold, yeah, gold is also rejecting. We can get a break above this 1863, then all the way up to 1867, and further up to 1871. And after 1871, we have a clean. After 1886, we have a clean range. Yeah, look at that, all the way to the left. Yep. So you gotta respect these zones, and you gotta play it safe. You gotta play it super safe this week. This week is all about being safe. This week is all about being safe. Yeah, look at this coming up. There's choppy price action to the left. If only this price action, right, presented in New York, we would have been done by now, and we would have called it a day. We would have been done by now, and we would have called it a day. But yeah, we are back in this choppy range, and it's very hard to take a trade here. Very hard to take a trade there. Yeah, GPUSD. Oh, GPUSD is doing the same thing here. Broke the high, and this must be 10 pips. Yeah, 10 pips. 10 pips. Why? We are over here, right? So it's coming to represent this candle right over here. We still have around from here to here around 10 pips, but we have some resistance. Let's move this here. Let's move this area right over here, and let's move this area here. Yeah, so let's move that area there, and this is just an analysis on GU on 30-minute. So now see this 30-minute, right? This 30-minute came up, closed above this, and if you are looking for an entry, could have taken this, but once again, this range was not enough. These ranges are not enough. Look at this. Pure support. Price is just closing side by side. Price is just closing side by side. Yeah, so yep. I still have a different feeling about GJ today. Still not the same feeling. So I'm just waiting to see a sign. You know, to see a sign for price to go down, or to see a sign for price to go up. One of those two. So let's see. Yeah, it's a lot of waiting today. Pretty sure pretty sure. Let's look at gold, right? So gold is closing like this. Okay, 15-minute on gold. Let's look at 15-minute on gold. 15-minute is also closing like this in 4 minutes. In 4 minutes, 15-minute is also closing like this. Okay. Let's see who's gonna pay us today, gold or GJ? Gold or GJ? We have this clean candle here, we have this clean wick here, and this area looks pretty good. I mean, for me, it looks pretty good, but need a solid confirmation. This is around 30 pips. This is around 30 pips. GJ is still ranging. Gold is around 30 pips. Yeah. Let's wait 5 minutes. Let's go to the 5-minute on gold. Yeah. Okay. So 5-minute. Okay. Okay. So this might be pretty good. This might be pretty good. If this 5-minute closes bearish, and the next 5-minute breaks the high, then I'll be entering for us to fill this wick, 1865, which is around 20 pips. Yeah. Let's see if we can capitalize on that. Capitalize on this around 23 pips. Yeah. Let's see if we can capitalize on that. See, this 5-minute didn't break the high also. This just went up, broke the high, went up. Gold is playing pretty good on the 5-minute. 5 minutes. And look at this guy, so slow, so annoying. 2 minutes, 2 more minutes coming down. So our stops are also going to be bigger if this happens. Around 7, no, that's okay, 7, 8 pips, 10 pips stops. And once it breaks the high over here, right over here, taking a buy with 10 pips top, and then for a gain of this week, 17 pips, yeah, let's see how that works out. Let's see how that works out. Gotta wait. 15 minute in this, yeah, still very choppy. Gold looks good for now. This is breaking up over here. Let's remove this. Let's place this. This is the breakout candle. Why? Because there's some resistance here. There's some support here, and gold is still in 1 minute. 1 moment. Let's analyze this. So this area is a resistance, and the next available resistance we have is this area. Yeah, this area here. Yep. That makes sense. Let's remove this, right? Because this is not recent price action. So let's remove all this. This is price action in the past. I'm gonna remove that. And let's say if we do get a break, over this, this will be around 13 pips. 13 pips top. 13 pips. Gold is coming down. 46 seconds. 44 seconds. And yeah, now stops are getting bigger. Stops are around, come on, stops, oh, around 12 pips now, come on, 1862. Closing side by side, 13 seconds, it's closing side by side. Gold just dropping. Gold is just dropping, respecting this zone, respecting this area. So this area we are getting a big drop. Okay, so now if we can get a break above this, right? So let's say break above this, which stops below this. So 20 pips. A break above this, which stops below this, around 10 pips. 10 pips. 10 pips. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Same with this. A break above this on the 30-minute. This is still open on the 30-minute. Okay, perfect. 5-minute looks like this. 15-minute. 15-minute, yeah, still open. See, you can actually take a trade right over here, right? You can take a trade right over here which stops below this. Stops about 8 pips for this to wick fill here. But I am once again waiting for this to break so I can get this range. Want this high to break. I want that high to break. It's pretty rangy. Pretty rangy here. Pretty rangy. Let's say now if we can get a buy 16 pip stops for a gain of 19, 20 pips. Yeah. Let's see how this works out. We are coming up. We are coming up, and 5:45 is just 15 minutes away. So volume might actually come into the market at this point. If we can get a break, we can get a break and we can end the week strong. We can end the week happily. Yeah, let's see. 18, I would say 1863,985. Yeah, 1863,985 would be a good idea. Yeah, we are continuing down here today. We are coming down. We are coming down. Yeah, so we're coming up over here. Can we get that? Can we get that wick fill? Can we get that wick fill? Six more pips to go. Six more pips. 6 more pips, and this area, right? 1864 would be a good idea. Yeah, 1864 would be a good execution level. 1864. 1864. 1864. 1864. It's a horizontal line. Let's place it right over here. Once it surpasses this high, then we have, yeah, so this high. So are we waiting for it to break this high? If we break this high, we have only a range of 7 pips here. But if we break this, yeah, we'll wait. Let's see on the 5-minute. Let's monitor this on the 5-minute. 5-minute looks good, and look at this coming down. Look at this coming down. Now this is a support, right? Support formed here. Yeah, now that is a support. So if we can get a trade there. Two things coming. Oh, this is closing like this. So on the 15-minute, yeah, 15-minute is like this. I think this we can get a wick fill here. Yeah, yeah. Tried to break up, couldn't break up. So I might actually enter a small position over here. Small position on GBP/JPY at this point. Yeah, small position. Let's see if small position with stops above. Where is that? Short position. So I have a position running here. It stops over here, just on top of this. Why? Because my idea was that price came up, couldn't break up. So price tried to break up over here, couldn't break up. So now we have this area to fill, this clean candle to fill over here. Yeah, makes sense, right? Couldn't break up, couldn't break down, couldn't break up, broke the low. Now we need for this, we need this to fill this. Yeah. If it comes back, I have a position running at, yeah, exactly 828. And if it comes back up, then I will be securing my losses. So 10 pips will be right over here. So let's see how it works out. Yeah, let's see how it will be working out. Yeah, so once again, this is also ranging. This is also ranging. This is also ranging. And yeah, we'll have to wait. We'll have to wait. Stops are around what? Stops are around 8 pips, 9 pips. Reasonable stops. Reasonable stops, yeah. We have some kind of support here, but as we are coming down, this is around 5 pips profit. As we come around on 8, 9 pips, 10 pips, I'll be securing a position there. Yeah, because see, candles here, this was the vaccine candle. This has to come down and correct that. This has to come down and correct that. Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense, makes sense. Ooh, there we go. We're getting that move. Perfect. Perfect. So if we can get now, currently prices at 7 pips profit. So I'm securing certain positions over here. Oh, just went back up. Okay, let's wait. Just a button away and it just flew back up. Okay, okay. 7 pips. Right now it's at 4 pips. So 3 more pips and then all the way back here. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Risk is managed. Risk is managed and looks appealing, looks appealing. Let's see. Oh, this is going up as well. This is coming up as well. Yeah, this is coming up as well. 1860, 1864, 1864, 1864. So this, anticipating this to fill this wick on the left, around 17 pips. Yeah, 17 pips to fill this. Yeah, I would say right over here. Yeah, right over here. It's pulling back up. This is pulling back up. This is pulling back up. Intense moments. 5 more minutes for 5:45. So 5:45 we get a volume rush. So 5:45 we can get this down to this 10 pips. That will be awesome. Is it stuck? It's stuck over here. Is it? Oh, look at that. Look at that moving. Look at that moving. It's moving. It's moving. GJ is also moving. Both of them are on their way. GJ is moving. This is also moving. Awesome. Awesome. That's pretty good. Gold is coming up to this, not gold, I mean GJ is coming up to this area, coming back up, coming back up. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. See, in 4 minutes, if it closes above this, I will be closing my positions at the entry point. At the entry point, I will be closing my positions because price came into profits around 7 pips, 7 to 8 pips in profit, and then just when I was about to secure a certain amount, certain pips, it just went back up. So yeah. Let's see what happens, right? We have to wait. We have to wait. They broke up over here and coming back down. This move was what? 9 pips. Crazy. Yeah, GJ is still stuck here. GJ is still stuck. Yeah, GJ is coming down. Little bit more down here, that'll be perfect. Oh no, it's going back up, pulling itself up. So as it's coming to my entry, if it comes back to my entry, I am closing. I'll be closing 50%. Yeah, 50%. Closing 50%. I'll be closing 50%. Came down 7 pips. 7 pips. And this is also just ranging now. Broke up as planned. Broke up above this. Went into 9 pips and then coming back down. Yeah, so at this point, I am closing. I'm closing 50% of my positions. 50%. Closed it. Testing, and let's see the other one. Let's see how it goes today. Wow, this week has been so hard. This week has been pretty hard. Back in profits for GJ once again. Waiting for price to, if price comes back over here, I would probably close my entire position. Let's keep it at that. Probably close my entire position. Oh, back in profits. Okay, that's good. 30 more seconds. Can we get that push in 30 more seconds? We are currently in 4-5 pips profit. Can we get a push all the way 10 pips over here? 10 pips over here, and that would be awesome. That would be great. That would be really good. Yeah, look at this fake out. Coming back into the range. Come on, GJ. Come on. It's Once it breaks the low, now it's a strong close, right? Once it, okay, there we go. Once it breaks the low, perfect, perfect, lovely, lovely, lovely. Okay, securing most of my positions at this point. Securing, oh, wow, amazing, amazing. Look at that. Stops at break even, and there we go. There we go. 10 pips, 10 pips. This was a 11 pip trade. Price can come up here, so I'm securing another 50% here. Amazing, lovely, perfect, perfect trade, perfect trade. Yeah, perfect. That was awesome. So letting a runner run. So my runner is at break even. I have a 0.50 running. 137.825. 137.825 is my stop loss. And I think this might run. This might run further down, further down, further down to this area. This area, I will be securing my profits. Yeah, perfect. That was a pretty good trade. Pretty good trade. Pretty good trade. And if we break below this, we are coming down all the way here. Oh wow, TP almost hit. TP almost hit. Now at this point, you need to secure your profits, most of your profits, because you know that this is a very high resistance here. So there might be a rejection at this point. Yeah, I secured most of it. I have a 0.10 running, and yep, perfect. Had a 5 lot, closed 1 lot here. The other 4, I was waiting for it to come all the way back here, and I closed as price fell. I closed 2 lot. Yeah, I entered a 764 at 764 as well as it broke this low, and then I secured that at 743. That was a misclick, and then the majority of the positions secured here. Perfect. Lovely, lovely trading. I would say, yeah, we got our trade. This was perfect. Drew our support here. Price tried to break up, looked like it was going up, but it didn't. It didn't go up. It came down, broke the low, and then we had this beautiful candle to fill. Beautiful candle to fill, and then came down. Strong close here as it broke the low, and this was the bonus move. This was the bonus move. And gold, yeah, gold as okay. Gold, if it breaks the high over here, yeah, it came to fill at least half of this week. But if it breaks the high over here, we are going up on gold. We are going up on gold. So yep, yesterday we sat on our hands. Today we got this trade. So perfect. This trade was pretty good. Got this trade from all the way here, 16 pips. If you're in this trade, you have made 16 pips. And gold, yeah, gold, I was about to have buy stops here, but didn't have buy stops, and because GJ looked fancy. So if I had buy stops over here, right over here, yeah, 10, 11 pips, but spread was pretty high. Now gold is heading down. Gold is now heading down, and GJ is here. So 10 pips secured. If we get further volume, see, look at the time, right? 5:45, 5:45. Price just flushed down. 5:45. Oh yeah. 5:45. Price just flushed down. Oh, that's okay, bro. You missed a trade today. You missed a very well calculated, very well risk managed trade all the way from here. And yeah, so perfect. This was wonderful. This was wonderful. And right now, GJ is, yeah. See, you should have secured majority of your positions here and put your stops at break even. So even if price goes to your stop loss, then you're done. Risk-free trading. Today we had a risk-free trading. So perfect. Amazing. Lovely. Pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. Oh, what's happening here? It's coming back up. Gold is a buy. Is it a buy? Is it a buy? Is this support formed over here? And yeah, so now let's say that this area is here. This area is right over here. So we found the support in 4 minutes, right? 18. So if we break up over this, we are coming to fill this wick. So this wick is around 10 pips. Yeah, look at that rejection. 10 pips, 10 pips. So yeah, so we have to wait. We have to wait. We gotta wait. We gotta wait. Yeah, so we took one trade today. So if you are happy with that trade, then that's it. That's it for the week. Because yesterday there was no trade. GJ didn't pay us. Today GJ paid us. Today GJ paid us. Today we took a trade, and wow, I'm actually happy about this because yesterday I sat on my hands. Yesterday I sat on my hands, and today was wonderful. Today was pretty good. So once again, let me explain why I took this trade. So this candle came up. This was the vaccine optimism candle, right? This was the vaccine optimism candle. Came all the way up, and then couldn't break through. This candle formed like this. The next candle couldn't break through. These two candles were very indecisive and didn't do anything much. So now you see a support form, right? This support form. And then you saw this candle. This was like a weak bullish candle, yeah, with a weak rejection wick on the top. So now your plan was, okay, if price broke below this, right? If price broke below this, I would take a sell. So as it was breaking, took a sell and call it a day. Perfect. And yeah, so that was pretty good. That was pretty good. And yep. So it's a good trading day. Good trading day. Finished the day. And waiting for gold. Waiting for gold. So let's see gold. Yeah, gold is heading down. Gold is heading down. Gold is heading down. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Look at that. Just heading down, 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 all the way down. All the way down, all the way down. This week we started on what, 16th, and it was a pretty hard week. It was a pretty hard week. It was a pretty hard week, to be honest. Pretty hard week, so that's okay. Yeah, gold is heading down. So gold came up over here, and then what happened? Rejected. This candle came up, 5 minute closed bullish, broke the low. This broke the low and all the way down. Let's look at this on the 15 minute. On the 15 minute, yeah, oh, it has broken the low. It has broken the low. So we have further range to correct this all the way up to here. Yeah, clean candles all the way up to here. But I am not looking for a trade on gold. I've got my fix on GJ. GJ has paid me. That's fine. GJ has paid me, and yep. So this was good. This was good. So this is why I say you have to come every day, no matter whether you don't get a trade, you have a loss, 5 to 7 Colombo time, you have to come. You have to come, and then you see. So today we got this move around 5:30, 5:45, exactly 5:45. You get a push. You get a push, and then all the way down. This is beautiful. 16 pips. 16 pips, and lovely. Just amazing. Just amazing. Now this has broken the low. So this is holding pretty good. This is holding pretty good. If we break up over here, we are getting a trade, 20 pip trade all the way here. Why? Because we have clean candles to the left. clean candles to the left. So yeah, pretty good, that's fine. Pretty good trade, pretty good trade. 1861, rejecting so hard. Too hard and so hard. Yeah, so pretty happy today. Waited all this time, reduced my losses, didn't take any extra trades, didn't force any trades. When last night took 1, 2, 3 trades, like yeah, took two sells on gold, didn't work out, closed it. I closed it in a $14 loss. So wins are bigger, losses are smaller. Losses always have to be smaller than wins. So yep, so now I think we'll get a continuation here. We will get a continuation. We will get a continuation. So pretty good. Pretty good. Yeah, pretty good. So this stop loss was only 8 pips. 8 pips to make 16 pips. So that's 1 to 2. Risk reward was perfect. Risk reward was awesome. Risk reward was good. And yeah, see how I manage my lots, right? So I had a 5 lot open right over here. So my risk was $300. I was only willing to lose $300 today. Okay, so as price came down all the way here, right? First, right over here, around 7 pips. I was going to secure a small percentage of my lot size, but price just pulled back all the way here. So there was no point of me securing 2 pips, right? 2, 3 pips. Why would I secure 2, 3 pips, right? There was no point of me securing 2, 3 pips. Oh, look at that, price is heading down. So, and then price came back to my entry little by little, and I will share my MetaTrader 4, and you will see that I have closed one lot. I closed at 137.824, right over here. 824 was right over when price is coming to my entry. So I closed it in a $0.9696 profit, but my commission was $7 minus $7 loss. So I closed that in a $6 loss, right? And then what happened? And then as price came down, right? Price was coming down, and then I entered a 2 lot. So this is called risk on, risk off. So I took risk off here, and as price was coming down, I entered a 2 lot. And what happened? The next 15-minute candle ripped through all the way here. And instead of closing my other positions, I closed my new position, right? So I closed my 2 lot, which I opened here at 743, right? 743. I opened at 764, right over here. 764. As it broke the low, opened that candle, and then this one was taken. I closed it right over here, and then price came down, and then we got that move. So take profit has been hit. This was a take profit, and this has been hit. So it was a good day, and my runner is still running. Runner, I have a 0.010, and if we get further momentum, we are coming down to fill this range. This was vaccine news. Vaccine optimism is a joke. Because you know why? Once price comes up here, because GJ, it's like this. GJ is a ship. It's a cruise. Okay, it's sinking, right? It's sinking in one part of the ship. The other part of the ship, the other side of the ship is fine. There's no water. So this is the other side of the ship. There's no water. People are here, but eventually GJ is sinking. So this is what's happening. No matter what vaccine optimism comes, no matter what news comes, GJ is bearish. Why bearish? Because GJ has lots of fundamental news affecting it. Why? Because lockdown, Brexit, and until next week, GJ is going to be weird. It's going to be super weird. GJ is just trading like this. Look at this price action. Only today we got clean moves because of the vaccine optimism, so that was good. So now once we break this low, further cells, yeah, further cells until this area, I guess, and all the way down. Look at the left side, right? Left side is like a war field, like a war zone. Everything up and down, up and down, up and down. So there's no point trading there. There's no point trading there. So now you see that this candle has closed. This candle has closed above this support. And if we break below this, further cells, right? Further cells, and yeah, so we can get further cells. We can get further cells, but thing is, are you willing to take further cells? Because you made profit here. I made profit here. So are you willing to take further cells all the way here, another 8-9 pips, and all the way down to this support? All the way down to that support. Yeah, look at this guy. This guy is just ranging. Coming down, look at that rejection. 1864 is holding like concrete. Solid concrete. This guy closed bearish. Yeah, we are heading down. We are heading all the way down. We are heading all the way down. So yep, today we made money. GBP USD is just doing its own thing. Yeah, GBP USD broke this high, went up. Yeah, see 30 minutes. This is called a 30-second analysis. 30-second analysis is where you look at a 30-minute and you just drop and you just predict where price is gonna go. So if we break below this, I predict price to come down to this range. I speculate price to come down here. Same as GJ. 15 minute looks like this. Yeah, 50. Yeah, a lot of choppy here. Look at this price action. Choppy price action. This came down. Yeah. See, now price is coming back up. Price is retracing. This is why you have to secure your profits. So if you secured here, if you didn't secure, you are now losing 5 pips. So always secure profits and always call it a day with one trade, and that's it. That's it. Yep. That is pretty much. Yeah. So let's say let's look at 30 minutes. 30 minutes is still open. Oh yeah, 30 minutes is a new 30 minutes. So once this 30 minute does its thing here, if it breaks the low, we are filling this wick for sure. This candle, we are getting that for sure. Look at that. It looks pretty appealing. So let's say if it breaks the low, my stops will be another 7 pips. 7 pips for me to take a trade down all the way here, around 12 pips and down here. Yeah. So second entries, right? Second opportunity on GJ. Yeah. Second opportunity on GJ will be over here. Once you break the low, you have to manage your risk. I'm not telling you to use your entire risk percentage, entire position, or entire profits. I will be probably using a one lot. Yeah, I'll be probably using a one lot. I'll be managing risk. 7 pips to $74 here, and all the way down to 19.6 pips. Yeah. So let's see. We have to wait for that. So another 26 more minutes. So it's good that it's doing its thing over here, and once it finishes that, it can come all the way down here. All the way down here, breaks low, and then we can get that. We'll see. Yeah, look at gold pulling itself up. Gold is pulling itself up. GJ is at this area. Probably retesting this area. Coming down. Pulling up. My spread on gold is 3 pips. We are getting some crazy news today. Let's look at news. Yeah, we have USD news. Unemployment claims at 7 p.m. Actual less than forecast is good for currency, which means less people claiming unemployment benefits are good for the currency. Yeah. So let's see. See, some days you don't get a move, like yesterday, no moves, nothing. I tried again at 10:30 in the night, and I was breaking my own rules, so I closed it. $14 loss, that's it. $14 to $50 loss, $14 to $20 loss, yeah, and closed it. Closed it. If I had held that, I would have made 2,000 bucks overnight. But it is what it is. You have to be. You can't. You There's no ifs and there's no buts. Because yesterday when I was analyzing, I had this thought: if price doesn't go your way, there's no volume. What if? What if this happens? What if that happens? If you have if and buts, then no way. So right over here, no ifs, no buts, just pure price action. Took it during trading time and perfect. So actually, really happy about this. Really happy about this because after a long time. After a long time yesterday 2 hours of no trading, 2 hours of no trading, price was just going on and on and on. So yeah, so you have to be patient. You have to be patient. You have to be pretty patient. How do you not think about the market when you're not trading? I don't, bro. Like, so basically my time is from 5 to 7, right? 5 to 7. And if I don't get a trade, like when you could be losing out, oh yeah, so basically that, right? So that is discipline, right? So 5 to 7 is your time. So you can't be fishing. You can't be fishing in the sea 24 hours, right? You can't be fishing in the sea for 24 hours. When you keep on fishing, your energy decreases, your mentality decreases. Like you won't be content, you won't be happy with what you get. Like, you'll be looking for more and more and more. So you get greedy, like, oh, like, I want to take this trade, I want to be available 24/7, I want to be rich, I want to take that trade, this trade, like, so when you have that habit, like that behavior, then you will be missing out trades like this. Your eyes won't be trained to see things like this, things like this. So when, like, example, right? Fisherman in the sea, he will only go in the morning around 5 a.m., fish and come back by 9:30. 4 hours of job, 4 hours of work. And then he comes back and then for the remaining of his day, he will go and sell that fish or do whatever he does. So like that, I come here to fish from 5 to 7. 5 to 7, if I find any fishing opportunities, if I find a good fish, I catch that fish and I fry it and I let this run around. But if I don't, I don't let the fish fry me. Like, you get what I mean? I don't let the fish fry me. So I just wait. I wait and wait and wait. So yesterday was a character building day. Yesterday you had to wait 3 hours, no trades. 4 to 7, 3 hours, no trades was a character building day. So yeah, so 5 to 7. So that is right now you might not feel it, but when you come to the markets every day from 5 to 7, DST is in place. So other days after March 15th, it's 4 to 6. So 5 to 7, 4 to 6, whatever it is, you come, you see certain things, same things. So yesterday, those same things didn't happen. Nothing happened. So yesterday, my bias was sells below this. So since you got a little bit late, so I think I can explain that. So sells below this, right? So yesterday we had, so I wanted, this is yesterday's analysis, sells below 137, 558, right? 558. So exactly here. So let's draw that with this horizontal line. Let's draw that here. 558. 558 is right here. Right here. 558. Yeah, right here. So see, now what happened? Price came down. Price broke below this. And my target was sells below 558, right? 558. Why was it sells below 558? Because we had this support. See, this support is drawn from yesterday. This support was drawn from yesterday. So what happened? I waited, but didn't happen during my fishing time. So price, oh, this is coming down here. It's coming down. So there might be another opportunity here. Yeah, there might be another opportunity over here. Let me explain that. Let's look at this for a bit because we might miss this move. 30 minutes. Yeah, there might be an opportunity here. Once this breaks the low, stops can be around 9 pips for us to come down here. Yeah, so that is one option. So 15 minute, yeah, 15 minutes is also bearish. 30 minutes is also somewhat bearish. But once it breaks the low over here, we can expect price to break down. So let's set an alert. Let's set an alert right over here. I hope I haven't set an alert in any other tabs. Yeah, I think I would have set tabs alert here. Let's close this, right? Let's close this. Yeah, it's coming down. The second opportunity is sells over here. Second opportunity. So let's see what happens. Okay, let's try setting this up again. But yeah, let's wait. So once this breaks the low, because it's doing its dirty thing here, like, you know, forming this wick, just like this, form that wick coming down, and 6:15, 6:30, if we can get a break below this, right? If we can get a break below this, we have clean wick to the left, clean candles to the left. So we can expect price to come down to this area. This area is pretty critical area, so 10 pips. So yep, 10, 11 pips. So with a bonus, I think 15 pips probably. We gotta wait. Gotta wait. So once we broke this low, also got what, 10, 11 pips there. Got to wait. My runner is still running. So let's see what happens. Yeah, so let's just do this analysis until just keep an eye out for that, and let me know if it's coming down, if I miss it. So yeah, so this move, right? This move sells below 137. Yeah. So look at this, right? Sells below 137.558. The sells below 137. So price came here. It closed like this, right? This closed at what? 5:45 a.m. This is coming down. Yes, coming down. Okay. I'm not entering yet. No positions as of yet. Once it breaks the low, we can enter a position there. Yeah, we can enter a position there once it breaks the low. Coming down, it's coming down. Let's see what happens. See, every time I'm looking away, price is coming down. It's like DJ doesn't want me to trade this. Let's wait. So yeah, let's explain. Let's keep this here, right where we can see it. Yeah, it's coming down. It's coming down. Let's look at the 5 minute. 5 minute. Yeah, 5 minute also broke the low, but this is kind of a support area. 30 minute. Oh, 30 minutes coming down. Yeah, 30 minutes coming down here. Once it breaks the low, right over here. Yeah, once it breaks the low, the price will be at 137.660. 137.60, 660, 650. Reasonable. Because we need confirmation. We can't just blindly take a sell. We can't take a sell here. We need confirmation. Once this breaks low, we know that the next area is going to be here. So once again, I will only be using 10-15% of my profits. That's it. If we get that move, that is. Okay, so let's do the analysis. So where was I once again? 15 minute, yeah. So 15 minutes, right? So it closed like this at 5:45 a.m. Oh, okay, this is getting interesting. So now, right, this closed like this. This closed like a weak bullish candle. If we get a break below this, we are heading further down. Yeah, that'll be definitely, that'll be a definite move down, because this is a weak candle. So sells below this with stops above 7 pips. 7 pip stops. 7 pip stops for sells below this. So this is a second entry. I'm not taking it yet. As it breaks the low, I'll be taking it to 660, 658 as it breaks the low, because we never know. We never know what price can do. And I'll be managing risk perfectly. I will be managing risk perfectly. Yeah, there we go. Price is going bullish. Yeah. So this is why you should wait. This is why you should wait. So let's analyze this once again. Let's see what happens. So this is a support as well. So maybe price will retrace all the way up here. Maybe break down. So we just have to wait. Very interesting. Once it breaks this low, we are coming down. Once it breaks this high, yeah, probably buys. But see, I sold GJ, so my bias is sells today. So I won't be buying and selling. I'll stick to one bias. If sells don't work out again, like over here, then that's it. I'm done for the day. And but sells are coming. I feel it. I can feel that sells might be in play once we break this low. Once we break this low. Yeah. So as I was saying, yeah. So Rashif, you missed this analysis. Yeah, analysis. So at 5:45, price came down, right? So doesn't mean you have to take a sell. Doesn't mean you have to take a sell. You have to wait. So same thing. This candle formed very weak. The next candle broke it. That's what I'm looking at here as well. Something like this. This candle formed here. I want this candle to go bearish, break the low, and come down here. That's what I'm looking for. And so we got this move. So this, I wasn't awake during this time, went all the way around 20-30 pips further down to this support. Where we marked it, it went down to that support. It went down all the way there. I came back up. This was vaccine optimism from here. Just flew around 50 pips. Yeah. 50 pips. Right now, yeah, it's breaking the high over there. So the selling bias fades. As it is breaking the high, the selling bias now fades. See, it's respecting this area. So in 11 minutes, inside this 11 minutes, if we get a break here, if we get a break below this price in 30 minutes is doing this thing, doing that witchy thing. And once it breaks the low, we are coming down here. We are coming down to that area. So my runner is still running. My runner is in 8 pips profit, still running. So let's see what happens. Let's see what price brings. Let's see what price brings us. So you gotta wait. You gotta wait. You gotta wait. Gotta wait. Buy here? No, bro. If I didn't take a trade, I would consider buys, but you see this area, rejections here. So I am looking at sells. I'm personally looking for sells, because buys, like we had 2 rejection candles. Just because one is breaking the other doesn't mean there is buys. And like 30 minute is still open. This 30-minute candle is still open, which means in 10 minutes, if it closes bullish and the next 30 minute breaks the high of this bullish candle, then yeah, buys, I can confirm buys. But right now, this candle is open. This candle is open. So whenever you're taking a trade, you need to always wait for candles to close in your direction. Let's say if you're looking for buys, you need this candle to close in your direction. So yep. So if I'm looking for buys, I would definitely want this candle to close in my. Always follow this. This might seem like time waste, but always follow this. You wait for candles to close in your direction. Always wait for candles to close in your direction. And once it closes, then you can take buys. But right now, this, see, it might trick you into taking buys and then come back down all the way here, or it might just head your way. So need to like need to have proper understanding of candles, and take it based on that. See, if we had taken a buy, now we went into like small profits, like 5 pips profit, and we are back in our entry. So what do we want? We want candles to continue going in our way. We don't want candles to come back to our entry. So yep, so with confirmation we can take a trade. But see, this candle didn't break the high. It almost broke the high but couldn't maintain that volume, right? We couldn't maintain that, and it's coming back down. So if we break below this low, then I would say that we can enter a second opportunity for buys. Yeah, second opportunity for buys. So let's see what happens. Oh, sorry, sells. Second opportunity for sells. Thanks, bro. Thank you. Appreciate your kind words. And yep. So we have to wait for this to close. See, there are plenty of other strategies, plenty of techniques, plenty of indicators, plenty of like like financial, banking, this that. But like what I do here, this, like I've been trading, right? I've been trading for like what, 5 years. So what, I have used all of them, and obviously you may profit once or twice, but in the long run there is no such thing as a profitable strategy. The only strategy is yourself, is how you discipline yourself and how you conduct the behavior. The rules you set in the market is how you make money. See, yesterday, right? Simple as yesterday, I was in a minus $31 loss. I sat on my hands. I wasn't phased by it. I had my risk management in plan, and today I made $364. Today I made $364 for just staying put yesterday. So if I were to force trades yesterday, if I had forced trades yesterday, I wouldn't have made this money today. I would be mentally destroyed. Like, I took a loss. I took so many losses. Like, okay, it's breaking the low. See, this is why you have to wait for candles to close, and it has broken the low. And yep, I have a small position running at this point. Risk is highly managed risk. So second entry with stops above this. So let's see if we can get a second opportunity. If we can break below this and go down, or yeah, we see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. If it comes back, so this is around a 7 pip stops, right? It's $70. All I'm risking is $70. So if it comes back to this white, blue line over here, which is the 10 pip target for my previous listing, I would be calling it a day. I would be closing it. I would be closing 50% and calling it a day. Yeah, that makes sense. So yeah. So let's see. We have to wait. 30 minute here also. Oh, 30 minute hasn't broken the low yet. Yeah, 30 minute has to break a little bit more. 658. If we can get that 30 minute to break the low, yeah, if we can get 30 minutes to break the low, that would be awesome. That would be crazy. That would be good. Let's wait. Risk is managed. Everything is managed. So let's wait. Everything looks bearish. Second entries. Yep, so 30 minutes is coming down. So this is a very strong support. It has broken the low over here. Yeah, perfect. So more opportunities for us to head down. So let's see. Gotta wait. Manage your risk. I am only risking 10 to 15% of the profit I made today. That's it. Yeah, so see, we are rejecting this area once again. Rejecting that area once again. Yeah. 15 minute. Let's look at the 15 minute. Yeah, 15 minute is closing in 5 minutes. If it closes below over here, that would be awesome. If it closes below over here. So my take profit, I would be, yeah, so price is rejecting this. Price is rejecting this. So once it comes to my blue area, which is around 3 pips, 4 pips, yeah, 3.5 pips, I'll be closing 50%. That is, I'll be closing 50% of my positions there. Yeah, so perfect. Risk is managed. Let's see if we can squeeze one more trade out of it. Yeah, see, it's forming bullish. It is going bullish. Let's look at the 5 minute. Okay, so 5 minute closed here. If this 5 minute breaks the low, we are heading down. Rana is still running. This candle, if it comes here, you have to close 50%. That is risk management. 5 pips, and the entire position is 7 pips, 7.7 pips. So in 3 minutes, this has to close bearish. And then, yeah, so in this broke the low. So in 3 minutes, this has to continue down, or we are in some troubled waters and we have to evacuate. Yeah, we have to evacuate if we are in troubled waters. Yep. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. What percentage of a loss in number of pips do you close 50%? So yeah, we're coming down here. So bro, basically my stop loss is 8 pips, right? So I close it at 4 pips. 4 pips. I close like my entire position. I close 50%. Let's say I have a 3 lot open. I close 50%. That's 1.50 lot. And then the other 1.50 lot, I close it when it's coming towards my stop loss. I don't let it hit my full stop. So that's how you are profitable in the long run, because you don't let it hit your full stop. You keep it in a way that you have to manage your risk. End of the day, just managing your risk. So instead of an 8 pip stop, I close 50% at 1.50. I close 50% at 4 lots. Yeah, right here. So this is a 5 pips. So my entire stop is around 8 pips. So around 4 pips right over here. When it comes to the blue line, I'll be closing my trade. Yeah, so price is trying its best to come down. Yeah, it's trying its best to come down. It can continue that in 1 minute. In 1 minute, if it closes like this, somewhere below this, we can expect some movement. Yeah, so this area, very risky area, very risky trade. Trade is managed, everything is managed. So let's see. How about the opposite, when we are making a profit and you know it? Okay, so when I am making a profit, so right over here, right? So this was when you went here in the stream. So as price was coming down right over here, then I look left. So I know that there might be some issues here. So I tell, secure some positions here. Let's say I have a 5 lot open. I had a 5 lot open here. I secured 2 lots here. 2 lots. I closed 1 lot here as price came up. I closed 1 lot. I secured 2 lots here, and I put more risk on. As price was coming down, then I was confident that we are going to get this move down, right? So I secured some positions here, and I put another 2 lot here. That 2 lot I secured here, and as price came down, so I can see that there is a support here. So I know that price always doesn't fall down. Price doesn't always fall down. So what I did, I secured most of my positions here and I let it run around. So yep, so there we go. Price is heading down. This, now you are in a profit of around 5. Oh, it's going bullish. It wasn't 5 pips profit. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. 30-minute is, yeah, 30-minute is also like this. So now there's a higher probability of this trade to continue down. Higher probability, yeah. No problem, bro. Oh, good. So my runner is running at 20 pips. Awesome. Runner is running at 20 pips. So at this point, I will be closing. I'll be closing my runner. I'll be closing 50% of my runner. Yeah, perfect. And now, yeah. So this is running for, this ran for around 6 pips. Yeah. So now you know there's some kind of issues here, right? There's a wick here. Yeah, there's a wick here, right over here. So once price comes down, like right over here, I would say I would be securing some positions there. Yeah, I'll be securing some positions there. And now that price came into profit, right? Price dipped into profits. If it comes to your entry, if price is coming to my entry, I would be willing to close out 50%. 50%. Yeah. This is called risk management, because you are in profit and now you don't want to be in a loss, right? You don't want to be in a loss. So I'll be closing out 50% as price comes here. 50%. Yeah. 50% as price comes there. Price went into what? From our entry, it dipped into 6 pips profit. That's good. Good. But this area is a small range as well. This area is a small range as well. So I would say we might, yeah, it's coming to my entry. So at this point, I am closing. I'm closing 50%. 50% at this point. Yeah. So 0.50 closed at 0.50 closed, and yeah, see now the rest of the positions are in profits once again. So this is your thought process. Price gave you 6 pips, and if you didn't take it, like I didn't take it, right? So you shouldn't let price tell you, you know what, I gave you 6 pips and I'm going to take your profits now. I'm going to take your day profits. So as it comes to your entry, and you see that, oh, the selling bias is fading now, let me take my profits. Let me reduce my risk. So yep. So yep. So I have secured my runner. Runner is closed. Runner ran for like what? Runner ran for almost 20 pips. Almost 20 pips, and 15-minute candle. 15-minute candle is like this at 11. Yeah, it's coming to my entry again. So once it comes to now that this thing that I don't want it to come and break the high away. Okay, so there we go. It's coming up. It's coming up. So at this point, I am closing my position. 0.50 closed. I have closed my entire positions because I don't want price to come into this area and then go all the way up and hit my stop. Is now selling bias is decreasing. Selling bias, because we are forming some kind of a support, right? We are forming some kind of support. So, and also the range here is like 10, 11 pips. So like I say, if you have 10 targets, can you hit those 10 targets? So we hit 6 targets here. We came down, we hit 7 targets. So didn't secure, but we wanted 10. So at this point, price is now coming up. So if it's coming up, you need to be very careful. You need to conserve your profits. And yeah, see now buying bias decreases. Selling bias decreases. So now let's say this is done. This ran from this entry. This ran around 22 pips. Awesome. This ran around 22 pips. So I got the maximum out of that. Now we see this one, right? Now we see this candle close down like this. 30-minute is coming up, broke the low, but yeah. So at this point, once we there we go. At this point, like I've closed out every position. All positions are closed. So you have to call it a day. That's it. We tried to enter. This is why I say this was my full lot, right? I used a 5 lot here, 5 lot all the way down here, got my profits, and then I used the 1 lot. So my risk on this 1 lot was $74, $80, $74, right? So I only lost $13 13 with commission, $16 I lost $16 right over here, $16. So that's fine, 16. So that was exactly my plan, this thing, right? I was willing to lose 10 to 15% of my profits, and I only lost and I only lost $50, $16. So yep. So I think yeah, so we will have our reflective sessions on Saturday, all this, right? So this week's reflective session is going to be pretty interesting. And because yesterday we didn't do any trades, so obviously there'll be lots of time to do other material stuff. So let's see what we can do. So right now, if you're still holding this, it's time to get out of this position. It's because it has formed a support. Look at this support. So now you look left, see, this guy came down here, support. This guy came down here, and now it's rejecting. So now the range is getting smaller and smaller. So it was a risky trade, but I only entered. Why? Because I've made profits over here, and I've used a conservative lot size and call it a day. Yeah, so it is what it is. It is what it is. So price gave us almost like 6-7 pips, but didn't take profit there. My positions went into like $70 profit, but I didn't take it. Just call it a day. So this trade was awesome. This mirrored this exact candle. See, this mirror went up. This mirrored this exact candle, came down all the way down. So 24 pips. Actually, yeah, 24 pips. This candle gave me almost 23 pips. Yeah. So I secured majority of my positions here. I had a 5 lot running. So if I had held it, that would be $1,000, but I closed it. I am comfortable and I'm content with the performance for today. So yep. So now we have to see what this price does in 22 minutes, right? In 15 minutes. Okay, so now this is also a valid setup, right? This is also a valid setup. So if this closes very weak, the next candle breaks the low, then I would say we'll have some traffic here, but we'll come all the way down here. Yeah, we have some things here, but this area is a clean candle to the left, so we have to break the low. Right now, selling bias is fading. And at 7 o'clock we have some news, so that will drive the markets crazy. Yeah. This area, right? I had so right over here. So this was once again before you came, bro. Yeah, this was when I was analyzing this with Umar. So what happened was price came here, and this candle, like I had a buy stop place at 1864 right over here. This candle came up, went 10 pips profit, but I wasn't looking at my terminal, right? So I was looking at GJ, and what's happening at GJ? Yeah, I was looking at GJ, and this went in, and as soon as I saw it, I closed it. I had a 5 lot buy stop, so never expected price to like break through it. So got like $100, not even $100. I got like $30. I closed it as price was coming down. I closed it as price was coming down. That was crazy. Crazy things happening in the markets. Crazy things. Yeah. So now this is coming up, and yeah, pretty good day. So let's see what happens. I will be right back. I'll be right back. So let's see what 7 o'clock brings us. 7 o'clock, we have some heavy news coming our way. Heavy news coming our way. So let's see what 7 o'clock brings us. Today, yeah, we have CAD news. So let's analyze CAD as well. In 3 minutes, price is closing like this. The next candle, if it breaks low, we are heading down to correct this move. This move is also around 16-20 pips. Yeah, looks okay. Looks fine. CAD, USD CAD. Haven't looked at this in a long time. So USD CAD. USD CAD. USD CAD, right? So this will affect the CAD a lot. This will affect the CAD a lot. And let's look at this. This will affect the CAD a lot. So if we get a break below this, we're coming down. I'm not trading this, but just a 30-second analysis. This is called a 30-second analysis. Clean cells will be below this, all the way here. Yeah. Stuck in this range. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. What price brings us. Gold. Need to look at gold as well. So let's look at the community outlook, right? The community outlook. Let's see how many people are trading this today. Yeah, GBGPY 50-50. Oh, long. 74% people are going long GBGPY. Okay. And JPY. Okay. Should be interesting. Let's remove all this. Let's say USD. Yeah, so now this formed like a very good, healthy bullish candle. This looks very healthy. But in case we come down to break this low, still we have what? This will be around 12 pips to make 12 pips. Yeah, still not that favorable. This was pretty good. Broke the low and came down, but formed back up. But apart from that, other than that, it's pretty, yeah. it's coming down again. Looks very tempting. Looks very, very tempting. Coming down again, again, again. Yeah, gold has just been ranging. So gold is also waiting for USD news. 13 minutes. In 13 minutes. In 13 minutes. In 13 minutes. Yeah, so we have to wait. Thing is, this closed like a pretty bullish, healthy bullish candle. So just breaking the low doesn't make sense. Yeah, so let's look at gold. And gold is trading within this range. So I would say that if we were to break up, we are coming all the way here. We are coming all the way here, right over here, this area. This area looks good. It might look small, but it's actually a massive area. This area alone is around 30 pips, 30 pips, 30 pips. Let's clean this up. 30 pips. And yeah, so pretty crazy, pretty crazy. This was the perfect move all the way down. 30 minutes, just mirrored it perfectly. Just mirror it perfectly. Came back up and then correct the low. Looks pretty good. Yeah, I think we are heading down. Once again, I have a strong feeling that we might head down. Strong feeling about it. 30 minutes, yeah, 30 minutes is also closing in 10 minutes. You have to always wait for candles to close in your direction. So imagine we had taken a buy over here, right? Because this looked pretty fancy earlier. If we had taken a buy, over here, would have gone into like 4 pips and then hit our stops. Yeah. So let's see what happens. So 9 more minutes, and looking at news, we can see, yeah, so let's look at this manufacturing index. Actual greater than forecast is good for currency, okay. Then we look at non-farm employment change. Okay, good. So no forecasts. So this, no farm forecast. Oh, forecasts. Thursday. Okay, no forecast. 7/7 unemployment claim. So this is a pretty good news folder as well. Pretty good news folder as well. So we have to wait. We have to wait. So yeah, I will be right back. I'll be right back. Looks like this is heading down over here. Looks like this is heading down over here. Looking pretty. 5 minutes. 5. Pretty slow though, very slow. Probably waiting for 7 p.m. 15 minutes. 15 minutes. It's breaking the low. Okay, it's broken. It's broken the area. Strong area over here. Very strong. So either if we go down or go up, will depend on news, because this news is not directly related to GBP, but at this time for news, you will see lots and lots of volatility, lots and lots of volatility coming into the market. Yeah, because it's almost New York Exchange open as well, so you have to wait. So everybody's waiting for this. Everything is waiting for this. If unemployment claims are like good, like if unemployment claims are low, that means it's good for USD. if unemployment claims are higher than forecasted, then that is pretty bad. That is pretty bad. That is pretty bad. Yeah, it's broken the low over here. USD CAD is also on its way. It's moving. USD CAD is moving. USD CAD is moving. USD CAD is moving. There's a higher probability for this to come down. Probably for news. If volume comes in for news and if this bearish momentum continues, we are heading down all the way to this area first and then all the way down here. Yeah, makes sense. In 3 minutes, we'll have news. In 3 minutes, we have news. In 3 minutes, we have news. Two more minutes, and we'll see. We'll see what happens. Oh, 137. So you took sells 137.633. 137.633. Once it was breaking a low, okay. Once it was breaking this low, 633 was right over here, okay. And you secured at 585. Secured 633, and you secured here. Yeah, it's pretty good. That's as it broke the low. So you anticipated some volatility to come in. So you secured at almost 6 pips. Yeah, it was kind of risky, but you anticipated this move to come down and then all the way down. But now it's exactly at 30 seconds. We are closing back above. So in 30 seconds, we're going to get news. So let's see what gold is heading down over here. Gold is heading down, and which means unemployment claims might be good. Might be good. Yeah. Let's look at this. So let's see. So 10 more seconds. 10 more seconds. GJ is also pulling up. And there we go. What happened? Nothing. Oh, it's pulling back up. Pulling back up. Let's look at news. Yeah, so unemployment claims. Oh, unemployment claims increased. This is bad for the dollar. This is bad. They were predicting 707K and unemployment claims is 742,000. 742,000 unemployment claims. And let's look at CAD. CAD news still hasn't come out. Index news hasn't come out. So gold will be gold will go down, and then later at New York SE session we are going to head up. Yeah, look at this, how it closed right above this. Right above this. Looked like it was going to go down, but didn't take a trade. Stopped right above. Crazy. So New York for at 8 p.m. At 8 p.m. you can expect gold to rally further up because this is pretty bad for the US dollar. Pretty bad for the US dollar. So later in the session, right now, everybody will be buying gold. So gold is going to destroy them little by little and then head up later, yeah. So, yep. So that's about it for today. And see you all on Saturday. And I think, GG, I think I have a strong feeling we might go back to 4-5-4-1, 37-4-5-1. And that's about it for today. And I will see you guys tomorrow. I mean, Saturday. Fridays, no trading days. Saturdays, I will see you guys at around 4 or 5 p.m. And let's see how the week goes. Let's see how this week we manage risk, tackle trades, took this trade for the week, took another trade here, somewhere here, and then close trade, manage risk, and now I think we are getting that move, but gotta wait. So anyways, tomorrow, trade safe if you're trading, or take a day off, take an extended weekend, and yep, so stay safe. I will catch you guys tomorrow. I mean Saturday. Take care.